What if the next action camera didn't just edge forward but rewrote the rulebook? Rumors about the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 have the creator community buzzing. Whispers of something that could disrupt both DJI's Osmo Action 6 and GoPro's Hero 13 Black. Not by hype, but by real footage you can feel. The most frequently cited leaks point to a true sensor leap. A 1-inch, around 50 megapixel CMOS with extended dynamic range and stronger low-light performance than last generation's 1x1.3-inch sensor. That larger sensor is rumored to be paired with 8K at 30 frames per second HDR/log capture, 4K at 120 frames per second in 10-bit color, and up to 240 frames per second at 1080p for meaningful slow-mo. Numbers that could put real pressure on current flagships. This rumored jump isn't just about resolution, it's about usable footage without heavy cleaning in post. Liquid color science and sharper natural tones are repeated themes in community speculation. Compare that to DJI's Osmo Action 6, which now gets real 8K at 30 frames per second via firmware upgrade, improved cloud uploads, and pragmatic workflow tools, but still doesn't lean on a blockbuster sensor boost. GoPro's Hero 13 Black stays strong with hyper-smooth tuning, rugged build, and versatile capture modes, but its resolution ceiling sits lower at 5.3K. If Ace Pro 3 truly combines this rumored sensor with better heat management and next-gen AI stabilization, truly pro-grade footage, it might shift minds from Osmo or GoPro to the Insta360 ecosystem. Insiders also speculate improved waterproofing, dual mics with smarter wind cancellation, and longer battery endurance to match field demands. Rumors put the expected launch in the first half of 2026, continuing Insta360's cadence while responding directly to competitor advancements. Thank you for watching. If the rumored numbers land anywhere close to real, the Ace Pro 3 could reshape what folks expect from action cams. Do you think Insta360 will finally topple DJI or GoPro with this next leap? Share your predictions below. Which spec excites you most and why?